guys maanta waxaan qaadan doonaa an IQ test maskaxdayda ayaan qiimeyn doonaa maanta. So guys maanta maxaan kaga baahan dad marka la channel soo booqana subscribe sartid. So hore video ka galinaa video waxa ku saabsan IQ test online hagaajin doonaa almost waa kana saa u jeedin hadda waan intusaa way was it you see more than almost 20 million 21 million dad qaat 21 million dad 21 million tuyukan kamid yani. So maxaan qaadan doonaa maxaa exam caadi hagaajina idinka invigilator exam lama xadi karo maxaa la qalan isticmaali kartid waraq isticmaali kartid calculator isticmaali kartid. So it means video recording meeshan ku socdo. So haddaan telefoonkan ka baxo meel kala gala toos soo arkaysiin waxaan soo binaa. So waan isu xukumaysiin hadhow sidii invigilator camal ay soo binaan caadi exam caadi hagaajina maanta maskaxdayda maanta qiimeyn doonaa. So guys I hope inta IQ geed 100 plus noqdo 100 plus. So be ready to concentrate and think fast. Bismillah. waxaan taa maqran doona guys shaqada horgelina hay the word mineral can be spelled using only the letters found in the word parliament waa dhaha lagu arkay maxay form gareyn kana nal dhahay mineral. Is it true? roll صح exactly that one is true. this maxaa lay 30 daqiiqo la qabanaa guys 30 daqiiqo and I will try to do it. This sequence of 4 words triangle globe corresponds to sequence of numbers 3 5 12 2 and I can understand that just hit the button falls 27 minutes before 7 o'clock. It's 3 minutes past 5 o'clock. انت استعمال لكن so I have got to use يعني the real brain يعني انا اصلا افضل حساب استغفر الله professional mathematics قاتي 27 minutes before 7 o'clock. So it means just 60 minutes 27 33 صح that 3 exactly that one is true 100%. The word because can be spelled using the first letters of the words in the following sentence. Big elephant can always understand a small elephant. Because the spelling can be spelled by using the first letters of the word. No man, that one is false. If written backward like the number 1125 1125 somehow written 2 maxay noqon kartaa 5211 waxaan qornay 1125 somaha 5211 sana 5211 صح that one is true 100%. idinkan isku try garay intaad jawaabtiin si aan u jawaabo camal. Hey Gary has only $48 if he borrows $57 from Jane and $15 from Mr. Curious. He can buy a bicycle that costs 120. أنا مع العقد بس borrow قريت أنا بس قيست bro. Gary has only 48 so it means it's just adding at the 120 Gary it means the answer is false, right? If the answer the total at the end of one more than 120 it means it is true. So let's find 48 plus 15 مقال 63 right 63 سماها. So 63 متى yeah 63 plus 57 120 صح exactly that one is true 100%. If a round analog clock featuring 1 to 12 is hung on the wall trivia lagu dhijay upside down 12 ta hoos lamar camal waa udrein kartid 12 1 2 3 4 waxaan idin sheegaa mara intaan isoo dhigay waan kaas fiirsado adali gidi hadda san loo gidi hay maxaa dhaca marka the minute hand will point to the right of the viewer when the color reads 2:45. waxay taliya waxaan siin ku sheegaynaa markaan ma saacadan fiirna 2:45 waxa iska taawaniyo waxa bakariyo wallahi billah. If the video can is understood to mean the same word as in, then the following sentence is grammatically correct. Looking out from my queen. I could see a wolf in the queen. Just eat the two man. This question am I man, bro. If Richard looks into the mirror and if Mr. Kures Richard Makano, if Mr. Kures looks into the mirror right now, the camera is like a mirror to me. Mirror, it's an mirror. Into the mirror and touches his left ear with his right hand. His left ear with his right hand. Haye, Mr. Kures' image seems to touch its right ear with its left hand. Guess what she's so jawaab. Had marka dhigtiisaan u hay. On dhigtiisaan hay. Maxaa malinaysin? Intaan dhigtaydi midigta aan haya. On gacanta bidixda ku hay. Masas ma malinaysin? Runa sa u jeedaa dadka dhigtay midigta haya left hay. Hadhowtan isoo sheega. If you leave the letters in the same order but rearrange the spaces in the phrase, them it's on. It can be read as dim at sana. Man, let's go to the next round, man. There are 38 questions, 1 illa 38. So far, I have answered 25% madikara. I can see that 20%. 20 questions I answer. Each of the words action, education, and caution uses the same letters. Action, education, and caution uses the same letters. Just sit through, man, because the way touch how activity is committing amal. Join weight 85. Jeff weighs 107 pounds. Jake weighs 115. Two of them standing together on the same scale could weigh 200 pounds. Guys, question ka try grable. Hadii laba kamid ah isku dara 200 inta isku imaado. So 85 plus 5 Meqawa or 90, which one is wrong? Isku daynay. The seventh vowel appearing in this sentence is the seventh vowel appearing in this sentence is the letter A. The seventh vowel. Appearing sentence can number 13. The seventh vowel appearing in this sentence is the letter A. Letter A or mawjudi. The seventh vowel. Man, just hit true. False. 9 chicken, 2 dogs, and 3 cats have a total of 40 legs. It means so lagu yeeshooda isku dara orno lagu door ma xisaab karna ilaa ka baqay. So it means 9 times 2 meqay 18 xaga dhig bal. 2 dogs, 4 times 2 8. 8 plus 18 meqay 26, right? 26. Oh, mama tashana ilaa is okay. 26. 3 cats, each one has 4 legs. 4 times 3 12. 26 times plus 12 meqay 38. Oh, false waxas. لا false تابنيا وايج. هي in the English alphabet there are exactly 4 letters between the letter M and the letter G. ABCD am kuno koni nandara. Letter G and letter M. Runa. E F G H G كبير G H I J K L. False, guys. 5 out of 6. If the word turn is written under the word slide and the word thought is written under turn, then the word sat is formed diagonally. Guys, بحبلها بجرد بقى false بقى false. لا كوشن هكتجي. Guys, I just question and Ben and say question number 14 you can see from the camera. Number 14 maxaan 9 chickens false ahead mugtaad ida ku yimaade. Question kalan Ben and say wah warbende 16 hours at 1 day as 20 days at June's length. 16 hours at 1 day. 16 hours in 1 day kuno qada bro. False dam sar false ka sarnaw haka soo noqon tan tuudi meqa false dhawrta. Oh, false abante. False 12, false 13, false 14, false 15. Tawarun 17 true. Back members, back ABCD laga jina o primary. Maka English niyo. As Somali laakiin waxa dhigay number 5 ay isku dhow xigta arkaymo ما أنصانيت number 6 عمل منقونيس A منقونيس حتى هي أدا A حتى ديت A منقونيس لح إيش اسمه صعونين يو ساز اللي يجري by removing 7 letters from the word ماذا the word how can be formed it's fine M واجرتهم اسمها O T H R O D لح letters صبيح no this one is false man if a thumb is a finger then the three gloves and the 3 shoes normally hold 35 fingers and wah if a thumb is a finger suulka leh hadduu free lugaha laga hadlaha bismillah suulka da farhan loo xisaaban lahay hey then the 3 gloves and 3 shoes normally hold wah waxaan daynayo true screen iyo mise trumda ka soco the words every how and ever can form common compound words using respectively one ever figure more سعودين example محدد كرين داري example محدد كرين ميدلسين the words every how and ever can form common compound words using respectively one ever a French see the true pattern man hey if Monday is the first day of the month the very next Saturday is the 5th day of the month وقت والله وقت كده مرة جاي سوجدي صح 6 دقيقة almost the 3/4 دماتي if Monday is the first day يلا if Monday is the first day of the month the very next Saturday is the 5th Monday bish تاريخ 1 Tuesday تاريخ 2 Wednesday تاريخ 3 Thursday تاريخ 4 the 5th day it must be Friday somewhere Friday نقول Monday 1 2 3 4 5 my friend this one is false clear for even I've wasted a lot of time on it yeah على 3 of the following numbers add up to the numbers 31 17 3 محله 3 of the following numbers 3 of the following numbers add up to 31 3 هذا سدح محله 17 3 2 19 5 سدح لمبر كميد هذا الاسكودر 31 يكون ماني let's find 17 plus 3 20 20 plus 2 22 false one isku dayna Fred will be 4 blocks from his starting place if he traveled kuju kita akhirnya bayau Fred will be 4 blocks from his starting place if he travels 2 blocks north then 3 blocks east then 2 blocks south is it that the questions are hard is it that I don't have high IQ oh Fred will be 4 blocks from his starting place if he travels 2 blocks if he travels wah time كاو صعبان معاه لكن معاه قلدر سعودين هاي the average person على او تيست هاجي ما حاسكو قاتل 30 minutes انا يبقى قصدي صعبة the following words are the opposite of the words that begin with the letter R the following words are the opposites of the words that begin with letter R real unreal street unwind wrong the following words are the opposites of the words that begin with letter R real start with real سمعها my friend this one is false كسعون the following disregarding function the following disregarding function is spelled the same forwards as it is backwards is spelled the same forwards as it is backwards my friend this question is hard bro just any link hadhow meesha soo dhiga description ka marka like saartid muuqaalka subscribe saartid linka soo arki doontaa isku xiriir waxa isku marka like aad subscribe saar IQ test ma arki kartid ku sheegay. The letters of the words sponge appear in reverse. The letters of the word sponge appear in reverse alphabet. Oh, appear reverse. Haye, in alphabetical order. SPONGED DE صح ولا متمرن. هاي the numbers 3724 هاي I read backwards as 518. This one is very very simple, man. 5184. This one is true. The odd numbers in this group add up to even numbers. The odd numbers in this group add up to an even number. هذا الاسكو دردر 15 plus 5 20 20 زمان 20 20 plus 13 33 33 plus 7 40 40 سماها 40 40 plus 82 مقاي 40 plus 82 122 right 40 plus 122 122 plus 32 right أما 122 plus 32 154 155 wrong. Even number منقرين without breaking or bending a toothpick. متاشا toothpick ورد هاي وقلد ولكن visual testing قلد نصبي. Without breaking or bending a toothpick you can spell the word fin with exactly 7 toothpicks with no letter sharing a toothpick used by another letter. Without breaking or bending a toothpick you can spell the word fin with exactly 7 toothpicks with no letter this one I have to screenshot. I have to do this experiment, man. Question مقالة مش سوقي لنا ملا مستنا قلدا. With exactly 7 toothpicks, no letter share a toothpick used by another letter. طبعا عني يقصوا تروس إليها. This sentence كهذا قرن. This sentence has 35 letters. 3 9 8 My friend, this can't be true, man. Next day. Aye. Oh, wait. But the building, I guess, but the building, name. This name will be. Aye. So exam color so a square whose size each measure 10 centimeter. A square, so can completely fit inside a regular hexagon whose size each meter 10 centimeter. Hexagon has more sides than for some whose sides each measures 10 centimeter can completely fit inside a regular hexagon whose sides each. This one is false, man. 6 identical triangles can be formed by drawing 2 straight lines through an octagon center point. Yes, this one is 200%, man. وقت أول ما tin مع دعدان. What will going to happen? خصوصا إذا قاعد guys ما حنسوبي stop timer. وقت أول guys ما حنسوبنا مرك. If a dot not shaped house has 2 doors. Guys ما حنسوبني هنا. I can't answer any more question, man. What happened? The name will appear on your profile and certificate. This I'll just submit it, man. Mr. Curious, bro. Ini magawa kana email ko aning kakarna. Bismillah. Your general IQ score of 120 shows how able your mind is in general anything. With a general IQ score, this is high score to be above at the end. This score is better than 96.9 of all persons taking distance. Most occupations can be comprehended with a general IQ with this high. You should be able to handle almost all academic challenges. You score higher than your general score in 8 individual abilities. One of these better scores will be called statistically significant and may indicate special abilities, or that you are distracted on those parts of the IQ test that counted more heavily on this in the other ability. But the Baltiga guys, 128 man, what 128 maantadi bismillah ana ay Elon Musk kan isku maskaxnaane 128 IQ gide kees wax balaga ma qaban kara so daarbta linkaas shid oo adin maskaxda tijaabisid ileena ka qabto 9 wax ka badan hel so as long as you are watching Mr. Curious, there's no way your IQ can be lower than 90. That's right man, that's been proved by this link. Your general IQ score of 128 sumjid كسر ماشي هذي كسر وحسواني شيء واني شيء. So if you are watching this video from the beginning up to this point that first it means that your IQ must be higher than 90, right? You can create an airplane. My friend hagaajin kartaa. So guys, hadda intaan soo gaartay oo IQ test soo aragtay oo waxaan ku soo first oo channel subscribe ku saarneen haye xilliga la saar lahaa wala joogaa he saar so balkan description kan soo dhiga description link muxuu visible invisible loo like muxuu visible noqona markuu subscribe saartid channel ka like saartid oo soo comment gelisid markaas the link will be visible in the description aan soo dhiga waa test gareyn kartaa later another yani maxay ku soo xiriiri kartaa oo si fiican u ogaada inta hesh camal the next video or this video as comment ku soo qori yeah guy Mr. Curious, I have got this one, I have got 100, I have got 90, I have got 80, I have got 120. That's what I want from you. That's the response that I'm waiting from you. Ani waxaan filay inta la dhihi doono 80 waxaanayta kiino kana waa 180 ku 120 ha Soomaaliya yar dhibe 120. So guys, saasoo nabad geli ma salaamo wax badan aan helay sheekaysan laakiin video-ga dheeraadana waa wacajisna uma leena because you can see that I'm watching this small guy here who content creator on it. So guys, I'm not well known, but I'm doing great things. That's what I want to do. So guys, saasoo nabad geli. Bye bye.